Hey guys, welcome back. Kieran Hogg here, and I just finished doing a demo on how to set up your OBS Studio, how to download it and get all your settings ready. And I just want to show you probably another useful tip about a setting that I just had a problem with that I had to solve. So let me just show you what happened here. So as I said in the previous video, a lot of the settings I just get set as default. So when I went to upload the video, it was not an MP4 file and it was an MKV file, and I'd never heard of that. So I thought, how do I actually get this into MP4 format to maybe upload to YouTube, for example? So there's an easy way that you can do it. First of all, if you do record in MKV file, this is what you would do. You would go to File. Now this is if you want to convert it to MP4. Go to Remux Settings, press that, and then you find your video that you want. So I'm just going to minimize this a little bit, and mine was this one here. Okay, now what you want to do is just drag it over into this little box here, okay, and just say Remux. Okay, so it says the following target already exists. Do you want to replace them? And okay, I'll replace it. So just say yes, and that's how easy it was, you guys. So okay, now if I close that, and then if I go into my folder again, you can see that this was my original. You can see it is a Matroska video file. Can you see that? And then here, at the same time, now this is an MP4 file. So that is how you do it if you haven't changed your settings. But guys, one of the settings that you probably want to change in the beginning is the output. Okay, so right here, recording format is MKV, and if you click on here, now since I'm recording this, it won't let me do it, but there is an option for MP4. So just select that, and then that just eliminates that step for remuxing. Okay, so either way, if you need to remux it, or if you just want to change the setting, you'll be sorted. All right, you guys? So I'm learning in OBS Studio as I'm teaching you this. So if you're new to it, you're probably going to stumble upon this as well. All right, you guys, thanks again. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button, and I'll be back with more useful tips on how to make money online, editing, affiliate marketing, and all that stuff. So this is Kieran Hogg, signing off. Good luck on your journey. Talk to you soon.